Welcome to Stream Performance. My name is Nick Foster. I want to go over a little project we have in our shop with you today. We have a 96 Z71 Chevy pickup. It's Danny Deramus' truck, and we're going to do an engine swap on it because this one is wore out. We have is a 5.7 liter Vortec motor, high mileage. It's been used a lot. Poor girl. We're going to do a little upgrade on this. This is a 6.0 liter truck motor that we're putting in Danny's 96 Z71. Getting rid of the 5.7. We've got all factory set up with the alternator, the power steering, water pump, with our Street Performance add-on AC kit. The bracket, the dual idlers, the AC bracket, Sandin 508 compressor, and the adjusting bar. In order to get this motor in, we have to use our motor mount plates that bolt directly to the stock mounts that puts the motor back in the stock position. Okay, now with these factory mounts, these clams, we'll have to grind this part down right here, grind it off flat to fit onto our motor mount plates. We also took the factory exhaust manifolds from this 6.0 and thermal coated the inside and out here at Street Performance. It is running a 4L60E transmission, electronic transmission. And in order to do this, we have to change flywheels and have to have a special spacer and longer bolts for the flywheel. We also have Street Performance produces the engine harness for this. We do in-house. Everything is labeled and everything is marked where they go. Our harnesses come with wires provided for the oil pressure sending unit and the coolant temp sending unit. Okay, now we've got the motor out of the Z71 truck. This is the Vortec motor we took out. Once again, we reused the alternator that was on here to put on the 6.0. We're also reusing the oil switch and the coolant switch. While we've got this motor out, what we're going to do, and you don't have to because you can reuse your factory mounts, but we're going to go ahead and put new motor mounts on this. And then we're going to clean up this engine compartment really good and get ready to put that 6.0 in here. This is our 16mm oil adapters that we carry. We carry different sizes to fit your application. And around here is the coolant sensor. This operates for the computer. Around on the passenger side, we'll have where we make our 12mm adapters to run the gauges. It'll thread into that hole right there. Okay, now we've got the engine compartment all cleaned up. We've got the 6.0 motor sitting on the motor mount. It's ready for us to start hooking everything up with the wiring harness. We put the stock radiator back in. We mounted dual fans on the radiator to keep Mean Green cool. The harness has been installed and is all plugged up. As you can see, all the plugs go to where they're supposed to go. They're all labeled. Easy installation. This is a computer that operates the engine and the transmission. We left the stock computer on the other side to operate the speedometer and the ABS brake system. We put a PCV valve in here on the oil to keep the oil from going back into the intake. Well, Tony, you did a good job installing this motor, buddy. It runs smooth, quiet. I like the air intake here. Okay, we've got the engine started now. As you can see, all the gauges are working. We have no check engine lights, no nada. Go ahead. Now it's about time to take this little baby on a road trip. Okay, it's time to take this baby for a ride. Okay, here we are. We've got this truck ready to go. We're going to start off at 0 and see how it shifts and see how the gauges all work. Here we go. It shifted pretty good. It shifted like it was supposed to. Everything was smooth. I think we're good. Alright guys, it did great. Thanks for watching our installation video. I hope it helped you out a little bit. Be sure and check us out on our website, www.hotrodlane.cc. Like us on Facebook. We have discounts going on Facebook sometimes. Get on there and check that out. You know, like Mark Campbell used to say, don't put off tomorrow what you can do today. If you can dream it, we can build it. Thank you very much.